Hey guys, in today's video we'll be going through the unboxing and assembly of our iQ426 HEPA vacuum. So let's get to it. First step is to lay the box down on its side so we can untape the bottom flaps. Grab your knife, cut the tape, and then from here I like to put the flaps up and out. Rotate the box 90 degrees. Do the last flap. Now all 4 flaps are pointed out. Take the tape off the top flaps as well. Now we lift up the box and expose the styrofoam. With the box removed and set to the side, now we can go ahead and lay the box down on its side as well. Make sure that the styrofoam half with the accessories is pointed up. Most of this machine is pre-assembled, which makes things quite easy. Go ahead and lift this up. Set it down. Take off the bag and we're more than halfway there. Next steps now is to install the wheels and the accessory rack. So let's take the contents out of the box. I like to start with putting a piece of styrofoam wedge on top. And then from there, grab our vacuum accessories, lay them out on the table. Here's our 2 wheels. And the last 2 pieces of the accessory. Okay, let's assemble the wheels. I've gone ahead and grabbed a couple power tools here for assembly, organized the hardware kit, and the order of operation is bolt, lock washer, flat washer, and that gets installed on the outside, and you can tell by the extrusion of the boss here in the center. This is outside. Assemble that. From the inside, it's spacer, and then flat washer again. Now we grab our impact tool, go to our machine. Now, I've gone ahead and pre-assembled the next wheel set here. Let's go ahead and install that. All right, now we're good to go. Last step for assembly is our accessory rack holder. Let's get into that here. Make note of these brackets. They do have a notch cut out for the tube assembly. There is a left and right hand version. So we'll grab our right hand version here. Go ahead and place the first bracket into position here, locating the screws properly. Go ahead and drive all 4 of them in. Now we come over to this other side of the machine and repeat the process. All right, our machine is assembled. The last thing here is putting our accessories into the rack. I've gone ahead and removed the packaging from our accessories here. So go ahead and start with the 2 large extensions facing down based on this positive stop there. Big brush roller goes in the middle. These other accessories go on the sides here. And we're all done. We're ready to rock and roll.